Hey everyone and welcome. Today I will show you how to delete your transaction history on Apple Pay. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is open your Apple Pay wallet. Then you need to choose a card from your Apple Pay wallet. Make sure that you have a card linked to your wallet in order to remove or delete the transaction history. After that, choose a wallet card. You will now see at the top right corner that there is a button. Click the button or press the button. You will now see your transaction history and you will now have option to delete your history. Scroll down the bottom.